Good morning, grade 1. How are you today? Okay, today is the last part of our lesson. So prepare your books and your pencil and eraser. Are you ready to study? Let's start. Welcome to online class Math 1. Okay, if you have Inside Out Math 1, you can use as your guidebook. Okay, we are now in Chapter 1, numbers 2 20. We are now finished our lesson to Mastery Practice 1, Section A and B, and Challenge Yourself number 1. Okay, we are now in summary of the lesson, Mastery Practice number 1, and Section A and B, and Challenge Yourself number 1. We are going to answer this question if you understand the lesson from Chapter 1. Let's review. Okay, number 1, I can write a number as a word, as a numeral as a word. So we have 5. This is a numeral, or we call it Indo-Arabic number. Then we have 5 is a word. 5, F-I-V-E is a word. Number 2, when there are more than 10 things, I first make 10, then I count on from 10. So if I will make 10, I will circle the 10 set of 10 so that I can count the 10. Then from 10, I can proceed to number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 cubes in all together. Number 3, when the number of objects are equal, the number of objects are the same. Okay, if the objects are same and the number are same too. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 children. Then I have here 4 apples. So there are equal number of objects. Number 4, there are more locks than keys. 8 is greater than 6. So if you can see, there are less keys than locks. 6 is greater than 8. So if you look at here, okay, we have locks and keys. If you count the locks, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 locks. And the keys is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. So it means 8 is greater than 6. And 6 is smaller than 8. Number 5, 11 is the greatest number. 8 is the smallest number. 9 is between 8 and 11. So if you look at here from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8 is the smallest number here. And 9 is between 8 and 11. And 11 is the greatest number. Number 6, I can count on or back to find out what comes next in the number pattern. So if I can count one more, one more is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more is 8. When you say one less, we will count backward from 12. Less 1 is 11, less 1 is 10, less 1 is 9, less 1 is 8, and less 1 is 7. Okay, here, let's review. Let's answer this question. Okay, write the numeral in the box. Okay, you can see the pictures from number 1. Okay, how many cows are there? Can you count the cows? Do you see the cows there? Okay, these are the cows. So how many cows are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 cows. How about pig? How many pigs are there? Can you count the pigs? These are the pigs. 1, 2, 3 pigs. Next, how about horse? How many horse are there? 1. Very good. And how many chicks are there? Let's count. Okay, there are 6 chicks. So how many are there? Write in numerals and words. So can you see number 2? How many are there? How many cupcakes are there? Can you count? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 18 cupcakes. So you write here 1, 8. Then how do you spell 18? Let's spell E I G H T E E N 18. So there are 18 cupcakes altogether. Okay, now let's go to your book. Okay, open your book from Mastery Practice 1. We will answer section A. Then choose the correct answer. Write each letter in the bracket. How many are there? So you will write only, these are the brackets. Just only write A, B, C, D. Write the letter A, B, C, D. Number 1. Is it A0, B2, C4, and D6? Write your answer here. A, B, C, D. Okay, number 2. How many are there? Can you count? How many are there? How many butterflies are there? Can you count the butterfly? Is it A1, B3, C5, or D7? Write A, B, C, D. Write only one answer here from the bracket. Number 3. How many are sleeping? How many cats are sleeping? Do you see the cat sleeping? These are the cat that are sleeping. Okay, how many? Can you count the cats that are sleeping? A1, B4, C6, or D10? Write your answer here. Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay. Number 4. Blank is greater than 17. Okay, what number is bigger than 17? A, 10, B, 13, C, 11, or D, 19? Write your answer here. Okay, what number is greater than 17? So when you say greater than, bigger than 17. Is it A, B, C, or D? Write your answer here. Number 5. What number is smaller than 17? Small than 17. A 10, B 18, C 19, or D 20? Small than 17. A, B, C, or D? Write your answer in the bracket. And number 6, what are the missing number in the pattern? Okay, what are the missing number pattern? We start from 15. What next to 15? We have 17, 18, 19, and so what is the answer? A, 16 and 20. This one is 16. This is 20. B, 13 and 19. C, 14 and 15. Or D, 16 and 0. A, B, C, or D? Write your answer here. Very good. Number 7. Which number is the greatest? So look at the number. Which number is bigger or greatest? A, 0, B, 11, C, 14, or D, 6? Okay, write your answer here. Which number is the greatest, bigger number? A, B, C, or D? Number 8. Which number is the smallest? Small number. A, 0, B, 20, C, 10, or D, 2? Okay, write your answer here. A, B, C, D. Only A, B, C, or D is the answer. Number 9. 10 and 1 make what? If we have 10 and 1, how many? A, 9, B, 10, C, 11, or D, 12? A, B, C, D. Very good. And number 10, we have 10 and to make 18. So how can we make 18? We have 10 already. So how can we make 18? We have 10 already. Example, 10 and 2 make 18. A, or B, 10 and 5 make 18. That's B. Or C, 10 and 6 make 18. Or D, 10 and 8 make 18. A, B, C, D. Very good. Okay, let's go to section B and answer the following question. Okay, write your answer in the blanks. Number 1. A teacher had 10 children in her classroom. These children joined the class. So how many children are there now? Okay, if you look at the picture, there are how many students you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 children here in the picture. But the teacher had 10 children in her classroom. So these children joined in the class. So these 5 children joined in the class. So how many children are there now? Okay, write the Hindu Arabic number or numeral number. 10 plus 5. Okay. Number 2. Look at these cubes and counters and answer the question below. Okay, let's count the cubes. You can count the cubes and you can count the counters. Okay, how many cubes are there? Can you count the cubes here, how many cubes are there? You can write the numeral number here or Hindu Arabic number. Okay, how many cubes are there? Can you write? Can you count the cubes? And letter B, how many counters are there? Can you count the counters here? Then write how many counters are there altogether. Very good. And C, I write the answer already. So fill in the blank with cubes or counter. So there are more cubes than counter. It means cubes are a lot, a many, than counter. Counter is less. Okay, so A, count the cubes, and B, count the counters. Very good. Okay, number 3. Susie has 12 hair clips. Jane has 15 hair clips. Mary has 9 hair clips. Who has the greatest number of clips? Okay, we say who means the name of the person. When you say who, means Susie, Jane, and Mary. Okay, who has the greatest number of hair clip? When you say greatest, has many hair clips. Is it Susie, Jane, or Mary? Who has the greatest number of hair clips? Susie, Jane, Mary. Letter B. Who has the smallest number of hair clips? Okay, who has the small number of hair clips? Small number, little number of hair clips. Is it Susie, Jane, or Mary? Write your answer here. Okay? Very good. Okay, number 4. Write a number between. When you say between. Okay, A, 9 and 15. Between is 10 and 14. 10 and 14 is between 9 and 15. B, 16 and 20. Okay, between is 17 and 19. Because 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, 17 and 19 are between 16 and 20. Did you understand? Okay, next. Okay, look at this pattern. Draw what comes next. Then fill in the blank. Okay, we have 8. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circle. Then we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circle. Then we have 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circle. And what about this? Can you answer? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So you will make 4 circle. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, and 4 circle. So 4. So we less 1 from 8. Less 1 is 7. Less 1 is 6. Less 1 is 5. And less 1 is 4. So make 4 circle. Next, look at the pictures below. Count the objects and write the correct numbers. Okay, we have here clouds, we have snails, and we have flowers, and we have mushrooms. Okay, can you count how many clouds are there? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write 4 clouds. Very good. How many snails are there? Snails. Can you count the snail? Here. 1. Okay, so write the answer here. How many flowers are there? Can you count the flowers? 1. All the flowers that you can see. These are the flowers. So how many flowers do you see? Right here. Write the Hindu Arabic number or numeral number. Next, how many mushrooms are there? These one are the mushrooms. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write how many mushrooms are there. Okay, so write the missing number. So I write the answer. A, snail is greater than cloud. So snail means many, than cloud. Cloud is less than. B, mushroom is smaller than flower. So it means mushroom has the smaller amount than flower. Flower has the greatest number. Did you get it? Very good. And the last part, find the number from 0 to 10 in the word one has done for you. So let's find 0 to 10. Okay, how do you spell 0? Z-E-R-O. So where is the 0 here? Then we will make a circle, the 0. Let's find Z. Z-Z, 0. Did you find the word 0? Okay, we have here example already. 7. If you spell the 7, S-E-V, 7. Very good. Okay, how about 0? Here, the 0. S-Z-E-R-O, 0. Next, 1. Where is number 1 here? Can you find number 1? How do you spell number 1? O-N-E, 1. Let's find 1 here. Here. 1, O-N-E, 1. Next, let's find number 2. T-W-O. T-W-O. Where's T-W-O 2? Can we find number 2 here? Where are you, number 2? T-W-O. Let's find letter T. Where's letter T? There. Okay, but not there. T-W-O. Do you see? 2? Not yet? Okay. Let's find 2. Okay. Have you seen the word 2? Not yet? Okay. Use your eyes carefully. Find the words that is T-W-O. Okay. Did you see 2? Oh, here, 2. T-W-O, 2. Okay. Circle. Next, we have 3. How do you spell 3? T-H-R-E-E. Here. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Circle. Next, 4. F-O-U-R. Here. F-O-U-R. 4. Next, 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Here, F-I-V-E. 5. Then let's go to 6. S-I-X, 6. Now here, S-I-X, 6. Then 7. Now here, the 7. We circle already 7. What next to 7? 8. E-I-G-H-T. So where is 8 here? Here. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Then 9. Let's find 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Here, 9. N-I-N-E. 9. And the last number? 10. Here, 10. T-E-N. 10. So those are the words from 0 to 10. Did you follow Teacher Don? Very good. And the last number? From number 4. Okay, Albin wants to plant 20 seedlings. Count how many he has planted. Then draw how many more he needs to plant. So you will draw more seedlings to make it 20. So how many seedlings do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 seedlings. So you will draw 9 seedlings. So how many more does he need to plant? 9. So you will draw 9 seedlings like this. 9 seedlings. So you will draw 1. You will draw seedling number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, after you draw, you can color the seedlings together. Okay, so these are the seedlings. If you combine 11 and 9 is 20 seedlings altogether. So remember, draw a seedling here, seedlings like this, 9 seedlings. So you make 4 here, then make 5 under, 9 seedlings. Okay, did you understand? Okay, very good. Okay, thank you grade 1 for learning online math 1. Okay, I hope you learned a lot from our lesson from chapter 1, from subtopic 1.1 to 1.5 and the review today. I hope you learned our lesson today. See you again next time for chapter 2. Bye bye.